guys, kumusta? Welcome to my channel. Ngayon guys, umuulan. Galing ako ng trabaho, overtime. So ito siya guys. Ayan guys, makikita nyo umuulan ngayon. Yan guys, sorry na napindot. So kaya nga sabi ko, umuulan guys. At mahina lang naman, kaso lang siyempre nakakabasa din. Kaya ewan ko ba ba't traffic. Sabi ni Google 15 minutes delay. So hindi ko alam kung nangyari. Yun nga guys, madami nag-uuwi pag ganitong oras. Sabi pa nila uulan pa ngayon. So yun lang naman. Mukhang tama sabi ni Google, 15 minutes delay. Mukhang wala naman. Mukhang na-adjust lang tayo ni Google. Ba't traffic ngayon Sabado ngayon dito? Diba? Usually guys, pag Sabado walang gaanong traffic. So yung mga yung iba walang pasok, yung iba day off. Yung pagkakaiba ng walang pasok tsaka day off, diba isa lang? Ayun lang guys. Ganito guys ka babago na rin ng content. Babago ng panahon talaga guys. Yung minsan alam natin walang traffic, yung pang matraffic. Kaya usad pagong guys ang siya na umuulan pa. Nakikita nyo. Medyo maingay nga lang guys yung wiper natin kasi ano ko ba? Bago lang to, wala pa isang taon yung wiper ko. Siguro guys na nabilad sa natuyuan o naarawan o naulan na. Parang lumutong yung blade yan. So anyway, yung nga guys, atik-atik ang ulan dito. Parang atik-atik sa Manila Zoo. Yun guys, pahinto, maanda hinto. So yun guys, panoorin nyo lang. guys, welcome back. Ayan, maulans. Sana hindi lumakas. Traffic. Ay, ito ko. Hey, nakakantok guys. Kaya samahan nyo ako guys, paano ako kantokin. Ayan yung kausapin ko kayo. Kausapin. Parang sasagot naman kayo guys. Ayan guys, huminto-hinto. Guys, maingay eh. Alam mo guys, gusto ko dito dumadaan eh. Baka may choice naman ako eh. So dito lagi ako nakakakita ng aeroplano dumadaan. Sana may makita tayong baka walang dadaan kasi umuulan. Ayan guys, Atik-atik. Love this place, guys. Dito tayo sa malapit sa airport. Itong area na to. Malakas ang ulan yata. Malakas yata. Malim-malim. So dark. Dark sky with the wet road. Guys, ayaw nyo ako magsalita ng English hanggang sa kaya ko, hanggang sa hindi dumudugo ilong ko. Baka sa mga non-Tagalog viewers natin, guys. So guys, we're here now at Century Boulevard. This is by the airport. LAX airport, guys. Like what I said, at the Saturday is not a traffic day, but what's going on now? It's traffic. And the time now is 5:06 p.m. So I'm not sure if it is like this every day. I mean every Saturday, but I thought Saturday is not this busy. So but how many times though we got this Saturday rain? I think California need oh Lord, look at that. It's raining hard, I think. So when you're driving, guys, you have to be careful, especially when it's wet, when it's raining. Yeah, it's raining hard. With the airport, LAX airport, guys. I'm sure everybody knows, almost everybody knows, when you say LAX, it's an airport. I'm waiting for the airplane to pass by. I love it when I see it, when it's an airplane. So I guess from my wipers, that's alright. It's raining. So let me speak Tagalog, guys. So my kababayan or my fellow countrymen, which is in the Philippines, they understand better. Because, yun nga guys, umuulan na dito guys. Guys, I'm just wondering what's going on, because I don't see anything that makes make traffic. There's no accident, there's no crash, there's no people are working or doing construction, but how come we still get a delay when we drive in the freeway? You know what I mean? It's hard to tell why when we're having a traffic that, you know, you pass by and you don't see anything bothers us. So yun guys, nagta-traffic na naman dito. Traffic dito parang on and off, parang switch. Minsan naka-on, minsan naka-off. Ewan ko, I don't know, or maybe just a nature or just a culture. There's a lot of car in the freeway. There's a lot of car in the freeway. Uh-oh. Mahirap bumundot guys pagka umuulan. Kaya ako malayo ako sa unahan. You know, like when it's raining, it's hard to drive tailgating, because especially in the front of you, because the road is too slippery. Madulas guys ang daan pagka ganito umuulan. Kaya dapat mag-drive tayo ng may pag-iingat. We have to drive more carefully when you're driving, especially when it's raining. Yeah, just take your time guys driving, because that's the most safety tricks when you're driving a wet road. Wet road. Look at that. Uh-oh, look at this. We're almost just traffic. I don't know why. Or maybe some people driving too slow. Well, I'm not sure. I'm just saying. That's why there's slow down like this. But I can blame them. Because they're just driving carefully. You know, like what I'm doing right now. But anyway, it's better than safe than sorry, you know. In Tagalog, mas maganda na guys yung safe ka kaysa mapano ka, diba? Makakauwi ka rin naman eh. Ba't kailangan mo madali? Pero wag naman sanang kaysa ganito, diba? Ayun. Kaya guys, mas dito ng ulan. Okay guys, I'm gonna cut this video at this time, so nothing to see today, just the wet road and, you know, a little bit of rain. So I'll see you my next time. See you guys hanggang sa muli guys. Bye.